Managing rental properties can be overwhelming, especially for those overseeing a few units or handling a large portfolio. From rent collection and tenant communication, to maintenance tracking and lease management, staying on top of these tasks manually can quickly become a hassle. The best property management software streamlines every aspect of your rental business, saving you time, reducing errors, and improving efficiency. With the right software, you can automate key processes, centralize your documents, and ensure seamless communication with tenants, vendors, and property owners. Choosing the best property management software depends on your unique needs, workflow, and budget. Some platforms cater to individual landlords managing a few units of properties, while others are built for large-scale property management firms handling thousands of units. The best software will offer essential features like online rent collection, lease tracking, maintenance request automation, and built-in accounting tools. Additionally, seamless integration with other business systems ensures smooth operations and data-driven decision-making for your rental business. In this video, we'll explore with you the top-rated property management software options available, analyzing their key features, user-friendliness, and affordability. We will also provide you with the best, most trusted, and most affordable alternative platform, where you can get the best property managers who will help you manage all your properties professionally if you decide not to go about it yourself at all. So, stick with us until the end of the video to uncover the best 5 free property management software that are tailored differently according to your needs and preferences. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also check the description below to try any of these software for free. Now, let's dive in as we share with you the top 5 best property management software currently available on the market right now. Number 5. Turbotenant. Best property management software for budget-conscious landlords and do-it-yourself property owners who need an easy way to find and screen tenants. If you're a landlord managing single-unit rentals, vacation homes, or small multi-unit properties, Turbotenant is your ideal partner for property management. Specifically designed for budget-conscious landlords and do-it-yourself property owners, Turbotenant offers an intuitive platform that simplifies every aspect of the rental process through its free tenant screening and listing syndication features, saving you time and money. Whether you're listing a cozy vacation home or a multi-unit property in a competitive market, Turbotenant provides you with professional tools to attract the right tenants while keeping costs to a minimum. Turbotenant's pricing structure is a huge advantage, particularly if you're managing rentals on a budget. The free plan is comprehensive and includes property listing syndication to major platforms like Zillow, Realtor.com, and Apartments.com, as well as online rental applications and tenant screening tools. For landlords managing multiple tenants or vacation homes, the Pro and Premium plans offer state-specific lease agreements, e-signatures, and automated rent payments. For instance, if you're a first-time landlord with a duplex, Turbotenant lets you post your listing, collect applications, and screen tenants within minutes, even if you're new to the process. Additionally, its free tenant screening saves you from costly background checks while ensuring you get reliable renters. All these make Turbotenant the ideal choice for budget-conscious landlords looking for efficiency and value. Number 4. Buildium. Best for property management companies and landlords managing multiple properties with complex needs. For property managers and landlords overseeing multiple properties, Buildium offers a full-service property management platform that simplifies every aspect of managing apartment complexes, homeowners association communities, and commercial properties. Whether you're dealing with hundreds of tenants, managing maintenance requests, or handling financial reporting, Buildium streamlines your workflows, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Buildium offers flexible pricing plans to match the size and scope of your property management needs. For smaller portfolios, the Essential plan includes tenant screening, online payments, and maintenance tracking. The Growth and Premium plans offer features like automated late fees, e-leases, and e-filing for tax compliance. For instance, if you're managing a 200-unit apartment complex, The premium plan allows you to automate rent collection, handle lease renewals effortlessly, and track maintenance tasks, all within a single platform, saving you hours of manual work. Also, if you're managing an HOA community, Buildium helps you track homeowner dues, communicate with residents through its built-in messaging system, and even manage board approvals for projects. With Buildium, you're not just managing properties, you're optimizing your business, making it ideal for property management companies and landlords with complex portfolios. Number 3. DealCheck. Best for real estate investors, house flippers, and financial advisors assessing property deals for profitability. Designed to simplify property analysis and investment evaluation, DealCheck helps real estate investors and house flippers make informed decisions about rental properties, fix and flip projects, and multifamily investments. Its intuitive interface and powerful features let you analyze deals quickly and accurately, ensuring you're maximizing your returns while minimizing risks. Whether you're calculating cash flow for a rental property or estimating renovation costs for a flip, DealCheck provides you with tools to succeed in real estate investing. In terms of pricing, the DealCheck's free plan allows you to analyze up to 10 properties, providing detailed metrics like cash-on-cash return, cap rate, and gross rent multiplier. For those managing a higher volume of deals, the Plus and Pro plans offer unlimited property analysis, advanced filters, and exportable PDF reports. For example, if you're flipping houses, the Pro plan lets you account for the purchase price, rehab costs, and after-repair value to accurately project your profits. For real estate brokers, DealCheck allows you to input key data such as purchase price, loan terms, and expected rental income to generate a comprehensive rental analysis in minutes. Also, if you're working on a fix and flip project, you can estimate renovation costs, forecast your profit margins, and even adjust variables to test different scenarios. With DealCheck's affordability, ease of use, and powerful features, you'll have everything you need to make confident, data-driven investment decisions, making it the best property management software for real estate investors and advisors. Number 2. Innago. Best for independent landlords and property owners looking for a straightforward, cost-effective solution for managing tenants. If you're an independent landlord or a property owner seeking a simple, cost-effective way to manage your tenants, Innago is the perfect solution for you. Designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, Innago is tailored for small to mid-sized rental properties like single-family homes, duplexes, and small apartment buildings. With its intuitive tenant management features, Innago also ensures that you can handle the complexities of rental management, tenant communication, payment tracking, and lease management without the steep learning curve or hefty price tag. The best part about Innago is that it's completely free to use for landlords, with no subscription fees or hidden costs. You get access to all the essential tools such as online rent collection, tenant screening, and lease signing, with tenants covering the nominal fees for payments or background checks. For example, if you own a small apartment building with 5 tenants, Innago helps you set up recurring online rent payments and screen potential tenants, all without charging you a penny. For landlords looking for advanced features like customized lease templates or financial reporting, Innago makes it easy to scale as your business grows, ensuring you only pay for what you need. With Innago's streamlined platform, you can automate rent reminders, receive maintenance requests directly through the portal, and manage all tenant communication in one place. Whether you're a new landlord managing your first property or an experienced one handling multiple units, Innago provides everything you need to stay organized, keep tenants happy, and run your rental business with ease. Number 1. Doorloop. Overall best property management software for property managers and landlords with diverse property types. Doorloop stands out as the ultimate all-in-one property management software for all users. For those managing single-family rentals, large apartment complexes, commercial properties, or even HOA communities, Doorloop's focus on customization and automation makes it a standout choice. Doorloop is designed to simplify property management by offering a fully integrated platform that streamlines everything from tenant communication and rent collection to accounting and maintenance tracking, no matter where you're located or the type of property you manage. Doorloop ensures your operations are smooth and stress-free. For pricing, the Doorloop Starter Plan is ideal for those managing a few units of property and includes features like online payments, lease tracking, and basic accounting. For mid-sized portfolios, the Pro Plan adds advanced tools like custom workflows and automation, allowing you to save time by automating repetitive tasks. What makes Doorloop stand out is its ability to cater to any situation and property type, while giving you the freedom to customize your workflow. For instance, if you're managing a mix of residential and commercial properties, Doorloop enables you to create custom workflows for each property type, ensuring everything runs smoothly without confusion. For landlords with vacation rentals, Doorloop's automated tools let you manage guest check-ins, payments, and cleaning schedules with minimal effort. Even HOA communities benefit from Doorloop's powerful communication features, which allow you to send announcements, track dues, and manage board approvals in one central place. This combination of versatility, automation capabilities, and customizable features makes Doorloop the best software to manage your properties effortlessly, no matter the size or complexity of your portfolio. In addition, if you're new to property management with zero technical knowledge and little time to handle daily operations, Fiverr is the perfect marketplace to outsource key tasks and streamline your workload without overspending. On Fiverr, you can find professional freelancers and experienced property managers who can assist with a variety of essential functions, including tenant screening, lease agreement drafting, rent collection management, property listing creation, virtual property tours, and even bookkeeping for rental income and expenses. Beyond basic management tasks, Fiverr also connects you with specialists in various property management software, so you don't have to spend hours learning complex platforms yourself. You can hire experts in software like Buildium and Turbotenant, all of which are designed to simplify rental property operations. The best part is that Fiverr offers a range of price options, allowing you to access expert-level assistance while staying within budget. In conclusion, with so many options available, choosing the best property management software ensures you stay efficient and profitable in the long run. Whether you're a hands-on landlord or managing a large-scale portfolio, the best platform will simplify rent collection, automate lease tracking, and streamline tenant communication, saving you time and reducing stress. So, if you're ready to take your property management to the next level, check out the links in the description below to explore these top-rated software solutions for free. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads.